good with y'all boys? Hey, today is a great day. I ain't even gonna lie. Today I'm picking up a car that I've been wanting for a long time. When I say a long time, I'll probably say 4 years. Came across a lot, you know, I let them pass. But this deal that I got going, it was just too good to pass up. So I'm about to head to the shop, check it out, unload it. It's already purchased. You know what I'm saying? It's good as mine right now. But to fill you guys in, I have a 86 or 85 Monte Carlo SS, and I ain't really did no content over it. I really didn't show it. If it's in my videos, y'all see it in the background, you know what I'm saying? But that was my car, and it was called Monte Cristo. We've been having this car in my camp, like me and my brothers. We've been having it in our little circle for a while now, and we just pass it back and forth pretty much depending on like what the deal is, you know. I have plans to turn into like a grudge car, start racing it, you know what I'm saying, do all that extra stuff, get my feet wet, jump off in that field. But I have a better vehicle now that I'm going to be doing that all with, and the combo that I'm putting in there is probably going to shock you because it's not what I'm known for doing, you know what I'm saying. So we're going to be switching this car is going to be switching everything up, all the program, everything I got going, it's gonna be switching up pretty much. Yeah, I'm super excited. I don't really show it in my face because you know
real gangsters gotta keep it, you know.
I'm excited. Deep down in my heart, I'm super excited. It's probably one of the cleanest cars. It's still a project, don't get me wrong, but this is probably one of the cleanest cars I've owned. Enough with all this talking, we about to head to the shop, meet up with the gang. So I'll cut y'all back on when we get What you mean? What you need help with?
I got a spare core support in there, so you can take that because ain't no core support. Hold it.
It's a stock one. Let me show these niggas the car real quick. It is clean as fuck.
Damn, Joseph.
Oh man, hey, you might have to get these rallies in blood, nigga.
I told you got to push on the front. That's where his fans was at. What you say about the rallies?
Yeah, you might have to get them shits in
Well,
blood.
we gonna do that now. We gonna get that squared away right now, Jack. What you think, dude?
Nah, I like it. Yeah, it's pretty straight.
Oh, I gotta get somebody to try.
Who this is? Oh.
Oh, everybody over here. You got shit figured out.
He ain't lying.
Hey.
About to be busy, man. Once I get these davins on that bit.
I mean, it wasn't for you to know. It ain't your car,
I
man.
mean, you sure right. We should have left this motherfucker down there then.
That's so messed up.
I had some plug wires. I don't even know where I put them in.
Did you put him in the car?
They in this car somewhere. That's what I need right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Where you get this right here from?
Amazon.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Testing. HIV testing. You gotta keep that in there.
Yeah, I will.
And that trailer's crazy, bro. Like one night, the light wasn't working. It wasn't working like a motherfucker.
Oh, the light?
Yeah, one of them. I was like, I was gonna go buy a whole new set because I'm gonna repaint the whole deal.
Yeah. Shit, he cool right there, huh?
Yeah, it'll work right there.
No, he needs to get in. Why? Because he gotta work his brakes.
You need brakes for you gotta hitch. I just want to see him in it. Look at it. Look at it. the what's called right there. You feel like home?
Wait, I gotta. All right, man. Let me get over there. She want to talk so bad.
She want out that car seat.
I need your honest opinion. when you over there. What you think about the car? All right.
Gotcha. Do you want to see Uncle T's new car?
Yes. Whoa! That's a fancy car.
It's a fancy car.
It's so much.
Right here.
It's right there.
What?
It's back there and right here.
Whoa.
Like, don't get me wrong, it's still a project, but I didn't think I really talked to him about it.
Whoa, I like this car. This is cool.
It's a cool car. Did you see the interior?
Yeah, it's cool here. It's nice.
Is this your car, Uncle T?
No.
It just, can you fit a stroller back there?
So
Yeah,
which
we
one is
should.
your new car?
I mean, I hope so.
Which one is your new car?
This one.
This one right here.
Huh?
You want to see it?
Yes. Well, the inside the car.
Yeah, so there's a lot of work that still gotta get done to it. You see that this is like this because it had a top on it. So he took the top off.
Whoa.
And I gotta get new windows, but
T-
that ain't really,
Can you see the
that
top?
ain't really nothing.
Can you see the top? Whoa, that's cool. Can you see the top?
Yeah, the grill right here though.
What is?
Oh, the spider.
Yes.
What do you think?
It's a cool car.
Clean? Would you say it's one of the cleanest cars I had?
Yeah.
Caprice is pretty. The Caprice really need work.
Well,
The
Caprice
truck is
my
rusty.
favorite.
This is probably.
Maybe when you get this up, running, fixed, my mind changed, but I still like Caprice.
I like this one a little bit more than the Caprice. But the
I think
Caprice.
I can say I think I like the body shape.
Yeah, it's because of G body. All G body. It's like a Monte Carlo. It's the same feeling.
It's cool though.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even show you the best part. Hold up. Reach in there and grab me the keys.
How you getting out? I was pulling it.
I ain't even show you the best part.
I want to do it.
I know you did not just try the square key to go in there.
I did the key that you gave me, nigga.
Lord.
I think it'd be D.
Got that knock in it bit. Yeah.
Oh my god. Keep it open. Keep it
You
open.
can move your hand.
Keep it open.
Yeah, got 2 12s in that bit. We're gonna be beat when we get this on the road, huh?
More now.
Keep it open.
I don't even know what these is.
Oh, a beacon. A beacon. Oh.
Got them Gothics.
Oh, a beacon. That's so cool.
Got them Gothics. Them thicky boys in there. Oh, looks like we spending the night in the shop.
I'm not.
What do you mean? It's raining.
You want to keep that stuff on your truck right now. Come on, Drew. Dad ain't about to run you to the car. Look at it.
Maybe it's gonna stop. Pretty clean. Body is straight. I don't know if camera gonna show it, but no rust. Got brand new polyurethane bushings on it. Body mount bushings on it. Y'all can see right there. So technically, this is a frame off vehicle. If you know what I'm saying. Interior, super clean. Dude said he just got the interior done. All I need is a headliner and a lot of this little stuff. Just hold up, Nick. I'm gonna take her out there. Yeah, I just need all this little stuff in here. But I believe with this car, it's not gonna be an LS car. I'm gonna go back to small block on this car. Probably put a 406 stroker or something like that in here. I like it. Let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? Got them new floor mats too. Hopefully I can see all this, but I like it a lot. I like this car. I'm just hoping that all the wiring or whatever is intact on this vehicle, and I ain't gotta do too much extra stuff. I wouldn't say this is a dream car, but it's definitely a car that I've been wanting for a while. They been clean and fuck, I ain't gonna lie. You got new suspension parts on it already, new inner and outer tie rods. Like it's probably sitting out in the rain or something like that.
This almost hit me.
I don't know if I'm gonna use this core support or if I'm gonna just go ahead and get a tubular core support and call it a day.
Let's go.
I got this. I don't even know what core support this is. Ben gave me this, so I don't even know. What the heck is you? What you listen to Dada talk? Yeah. Yeah. You like the car? Smile if you like the car. I don't think she liked the car.
She want you to take her out.
You want?
She reaching for you?
You want Dada to pick you up? I don't even think I showed them. True. Yeah, she's 4 months, almost 5 months. She growing a little. It's our little baby. It's my little kid, my seed.
This one too.
My little nut.
This is our little kid too. Turn around more. Look at my stinky.
Hit a dance real quick. Let me see you dance.
Go for it.
You do a dance.
No, I'm not doing no dance.
All right, hold up. I gotta get serious on that real quick. I gotta get serious. Important about them supporting me.
Bless you.
Or we gotta act sad. You gotta act sad. You gotta look at the camera and be sad. 1, 2, 3. See, man, all it takes is one like and one comment so you can support a local racer. That's all I need from you guys. So if you guys want to see this car up on the road, just give me one like. That's all I need. So if you guys can do that.
Maury is hilarious.
What
Go
is
ahead.
this?
He said.
See, you
Go
got
ahead.
the kid. Once you get the kids crying, look at the camera, Maury. Once you get, don't you want to see him in his Uncle T car, driving down the street real fast, racing Dodge Chargers? Ain't that what? Yes. You gotta act sad. Don't be happy. Tell them to like the video and comment and share the video and subscribe. Tell
Say
them.
like, comment, and subscribe. Say it. You didn't say it to the camera. Say like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment is what?
Subscribe.
Say subscribe to my Uncle T.
Yeah.
But if y'all don't support me, what we gonna hope for?
Be sad.
We just gonna be sad? What about if they don't support me? I hope that you lose your wallet while you're late to work.
That is no idea.
That's pretty messed up, eh?
That is very good.
Imagine being almost 10 minutes late to work, you still can't find your wallet, and you need gas. Yeah.
How about it don't push you? How about we?
But alright. I don't know. This video is gonna probably be chopped up a little weird. I really don't know how I'm gonna put everything, but I'm gonna put everything that needs to be in here. But I got this car. I don't know how soon I'm gonna be working on this car. Hopefully real soon, but I gotta find everything. I gotta find a 400 small block. I gotta find a 400 small block. I got an Eagle crate that I'm probably gonna be picking up this month. Gotta find rods, pistons, get the machine work done. Figure out a head combination, and then get a transmission. I don't know what transmission I should go with, or really any. I don't know. I just know I want this bit running. That's it. But I appreciate you guys for staying tuned, watching the video. If y'all watched it all the way, see y'all another time. Tell them bye, Maury.
Bye.
Tell them see you later.
You waited.
Maury, watch out. It's a spider.
Huh?
It's a spider.